Hello children, welcome back to the online classes. We shall study today the same lesson, that is chapter 1, Light in the Night. I shall read the lesson for you. The lamp posts of London were designed with the bars sticking out from the either side at the top so that the lamplighter could safely rest his ladder on them. Lamplighters moved quickly, carrying their ladder and going up and down it hundreds of times a day. The lamp posts were decorated with the royal crest and were looked after carefully by the lamplighters. So here, the lamp post had a bar sticking out from the post, so that the lamplighters could take the support of the ladder. They used the ladder to climb up the lamp post. These posts were decorated with a royal crest. When gas lamp started to be used from 1805 onwards, they changed the work of the lamplighters. The gas lamps were much quicker to light and didn't require lot of the work of the oil lamp, such as changing the smelly oil and replacing and trimming wicks. Some of the lamplighters felt like their job wasn't the same anymore. Charles Dickens captured this feeling in the story The Lamplighter, when one character talks about the changing from oil to the gas lamps. I foresee in this the breaking up of our profession. There is no more going the round to trim by day-night, no more dribbling down of the oil on hats and bonnets of ladies and gentlemen when one feels in spirits. Any low fellow can light a gas lamp. So here we see that in 1805 onwards, gas lamp came changing. The oil lamp. So the workers of lamplighters were gone because there was no need of cleaning, changing the smelly oil and replacing and trimming wicks. And anybody could light these gas lamps. It was so easy. These were much better than the oil lamp, except for one problem, they would blow up. As the time changed by the invention of the electricity, they were also replaced by electric lamps. Gas lamps were better than oil lamps in many ways, although a big issue with them was that every now and again one would blow up. Over time, gas lamps replaced oil lamps. Later, with the invention of electricity, gas lamps were replaced by electric lamps which dominate modern streets. Today, there are still 1500 gas lamps in London. 5 people are employed to operate them. They light them every evening and put them out every morning. These lights are carefully looked after because they are part of the city's history. Kingston Palace Garden, the name of a long avenue in London. It is lined with the grand old buildings and is lit entirely by gas lamps. There you can imagine what it would have been like in London during the time of Charles Dickens. So here we will see that at the time changed and by the invention of electricity, there They were also replaced by electric lamps. Today also there are 1500 gas lamps in London. To operate these lamps, 5 people are employed. They light them every evening and put them out every morning because they are the history of London. So you can imagine what type of London it would have during Charles Dickens. Here I stop, dear children. For your homework, read the chapter carefully, and tomorrow I will come back with the question answer. Thank you.